So I think I nailed down the effect for the blink and the two different colors. I apologize, I don't know how well it's going to show up on video. But with the dome, the light would fill in the dome as we progressively, step through the layers of the LEDs. So just in playing around with the timings and the various levels of the LEDs, I think we're able to achieve a pretty close match for the action of Songbird's blinking eye there. And you can see Lisa's added the clay bits. This is Sculpey that she formed and then baked in the oven, so it's nice and hard, and mounted with Gorilla Glue. Now just need some paint, and it's coming right along.